Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So today is Kojagiri Lakshmi Puja. That is something we celebrate Lakshmi Puja, specifically Bengalis, today. So today is something which I am trying to create an ethnic makeup look on the occasion of Kojagiri Lakshmi Puja. So I think this will be the makeup look even in Diwali. So in the Diwali also I will be wearing almost the same makeup look because I've got one kurti from Meesho which is right back of me. So I am gonna wear that kurti for Diwali. So definitely I think everything, all the makeup will be alike the same. So this is going to be about the makeup look for the festive season. So first thing first, I have already just taken shower. So I have prepped up my skin with vitamin C Garnier ka serum. So I think you can take any serum or primer, but again for the safe thing I am going to use primer, which is Naleo. So I think serum is something which hydrates your skin. I think that goes for the prep up, but again priming is something which is very important, and I think that is the major step. So I'm just gonna prime up my face with this Naleo beautiful gel primer. This is my favorite primer and I have been using this like since 3 weeks and it is just awesome. So I will take my mirror and I'll just start doing this. So this is a very basic red kind of eye makeup look which I'm gonna do, and I think it will be simple, easy, quick step for the makeup, and that will look also very good for the festive season. So I have kind of prepped up my skin with the primer. Now this primer instantly mattifies your skin and at the same time it seems very seamless. So I think the primer is something which is a very good option. I will let it dry, get absorbed completely, and by the meantime I will be doing my brows. Now that you can do with any of the eye pencil. So this I'm taking a brown one and I'm just gonna fill up my brows. Sorry, I will be taking another pencil because this is so I am taking this Miniso. Please avoid the background. I'm taking this Miniso eyebrow pencil and I will be just filling up the brows real quick by till the time I think the primer will be supremely absorbed in the skin. I'm just gonna fill the brows. I'm not gonna make it anything extra because I've not done my brows for a very long time. Like it's been 8 months I didn't do it. So I'm just gonna fill it real quick. Yeah, so after the brows, the next thing definitely is your foundation. Now I'm taking a full coverage foundation from Swiss Beauty. So this is the waterproof foundation and I am in the shade number 4, which is honey beige. Yeah, honey beige, and I'm just gonna take it. I will be taking doing this with the help of the brush because that's how my makeup looks really seamless. First I will apply in the dot, definitely in the neck part. I don't need very high coverage honestly, so I'm just taking this much of it and I will quickly start blending in the upward direction. I will make a dedicated video of which brushes are the foundation brushes, highlighter brushes or the contour brushes. I'll make a separate video on that. So kindly stay tuned to my channel and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and follow me on definitely Instagram because a lot of my notifications and posts you can be updated with there. So whatever is remaining I'm gonna apply on my eyelids as well. That becomes a kind of prep up for the eyeshadow thing. So I will not do many much. I don't use concealer, by the way, guys. So obviously after this step you can use concealer. So this is really a high coverage, so with the help of beauty blender you can do it. I'm just gonna use my fingertips because I don't have sponge right now. Okay, great. So I have completely prepped up my skin with the foundation. So my skin is super ready for the foundation. After the foundation, and definitely the next thing which I will be doing is to set this entire thing with the help of compact. So for the compact I'm using the Naleo 2-in-1 Prime and Fine. So this is the compact I have shown in the affordable, what's an affordable makeup range. So this is a beautiful one, and I'm going to take the sheen part of it because that's where I really love how, so inside packaging looks like this, and this is the matte one, and this is the sheen one. So I'm just gonna take the sheen one. I'm gonna set everything. I do have a mirror in this, so I'm just gonna take in here, blend everything in. Great. So my skin already is looking seamless, which I'm loving it, and also thanks to the vitamin C serum that I'm using nowadays, because my skin is actually looking flawless. So it's getting better and better day by day. So the next thing, definitely I will be starting up with my eye makeup, and for that I will be taking the Huda Beauty's Color Studio, and I will be letting you know what all the shades I'm gonna pick. So this is how the palette looks like. I've spoken in length about this palette, and I think yeah, I've made a separate video also on this. So this is how beautiful the palette is. So out of this I am gonna take this as a transition color, and it comes with a beautiful, you know, this brush, and I'm gonna start using the transition color. So I'm gonna take this sort of brush, and I'll just start with this. It's highly pigmented, as you can see. I'm just gonna do the crease and the upper V line. Okay, I'm gonna use my mirror because that is looking really weird. Still with the same transition color, I'm just gonna do it a transitions shade. I'll move to the crease area because the transition shade is almost like done. Okay, so done with the transition color. This is a little lighter, so I think matching up both is very important. Okay, great. Then now the next thing is I'm gonna take one glitter color over here, which is this beautiful one, and the name is Talented. Okay, and I'm just gonna place it in this part. I usually use you know, my fingertips to place the color. Okay, and I'm just gonna change the background because I think here the light is better. So I'm just gonna, with the same color, I am gonna place it. Okay,
So that's pretty much, and I think this is too much for the red outfit, and I will move to the inner corners and then we will continue. Eye makeup, I'll keep it a little subtle because I'm just wearing red and we cannot do anything much with the red color. So I'm just gonna highlight the area and then use the blush, and then I'm like done. So for the highlight, always we have to do it in this part, brush off the excess, and also in the upper part of the brows, so that your brows will look a little better. I mean, that's one of the trick. Okay, great. Now for the blush, I'm gonna use this shade, and contour also I will be doing. So let's just do that. I'm gonna change the brush. So I'm taking this particular brush for the contour part. Now I will not do much of a contour because I know my face is a little bulky, but not very much cut I will be doing. Great. So, and little bit on my jawline, because I think my jawline is something which is really because my face is a little bulgy. So definitely if you do the jawline, it will look a little better. Great. So after that, definitely you can do the highlighter part, but I will straightly go to the bronzer and the blush. So for the bronzer, I'm just gonna use the shade, I'm just gonna bring it. So sorry, for the bronzer, I'm just gonna use this Mars. Please ignore the background, there's a construction going on. So this is a bronzer. It's a little heavy, you can say, but again you have to do it very cautiously. Tap off the excess. Little bit in here. Now very soon I will be coming up with a video of a trick and tips of the makeup. There are a few hacks. So one of the hack I'm going to tell you, because my nose is a little not very sharp, so it's a kind of blunt. So for that, the trick is you can take this contour, brush it here, brush it this way, and then with the help of brush, just blend it from here. So the nose looks a little, you know, little sharper. And then with the help of this highlighter, with the bridge of the nose you can do it, and then put the highlighter everywhere. Now I always use my fingertips for the highlighter, but you can use anything of your choice. Now that's pretty much. I will directly go with my liner, and I'm using this Swiss Beauty Dark Kohl liner. I will be taking and then I'll do the lower lash line. Now one thing, if you notice, for the eye makeup I did not do the lower lash line because that is not required, or probably I will not be doing for this you know, specific look. And there's a lot of noise, I'm so sorry for this. I will be doing the lip color. So for this I'm using this Blue Heaven. I'm in the shade red. It's a beautiful red, kind of blood red, And then I will definitely going for the sindoor. You can use any liquid sindoor, but usually I use this powder one. After powder also, if you like feel the look is really incomplete, then you can definitely use the liquid sindoor. I am using the Color Bars liquid sindoor, which is really good, and I got a lot of suggestion on that. Like the sindoor is really good. Okay, so that's pretty much. I will just take I'll do with the earring part, and I think I am pretty much done. Definitely I will be combing my hair, and then I will complete the look with the bindi and the earring. That's pretty much, I think, for the Diwali also I will be making little changes here and there, but everything will remain as such the same. And then definitely I'll be pairing up with this with a cute bindi, because any festive look is incomplete without bindi. So so bindis are something I'm really skeptical of using it. Okay, I will get one bindi. I'm so sorry for this. So I'm using this particular type of bindi. I will go with the red one, because today everything is all about red. So that's pretty much. I'll give you a closer pic of how this look turned out to be. I really loved the way it turned out to be, and I hope this video was little helpful, because I think this festive look is going to be for the Diwali also. It's a basic ethnic makeup look, and I am wearing this beautiful kurta. I'll go a little back and show you, and I've paired up with the green leggings. So this is what my particular outfit is, and this is looking absolute pretty, and I really love the look. So do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more such updates, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.